we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. This is the top. Cross taped right there. Alright, we're in. Let's see a manifest. Let's take that out. And let's get everything out of here. We got some packing paper. Okay, I think that's it. And they do provide images of the items to help identify them. So, in no particular order, let's go right here in the middle. I believe this is the Belgium gas mask bag used. So it's actually quite large. And leather fittings, brass fittings as well. It's in really good shape if it is used. Let's see, brass. Okay, square bottom. Let's see, additional brass fittings here. So something's supposed to go there. And strap wise to close it. Let's see how this design has carried over through time. And we have this strap up here with also a hook as well. So, Belgium gas mask bag used. Alright. Next, let's get these out of the way. Two of these are USMC issue Coyote MOLLE dump pouch used. Two of these. So we can see some strips there, MOLLE attachments on the back, more hook and latch depending on where you roll it up, and then secure it that way. And let's see, here we have a tag. See, Marine Corps magazine dump pouch, NSN number, contract numbers. From manufacturer is Hoffman Fabricating. This one is the same as well. So, pretty deep, very large grommet. Small drainage grommet at the bottom. Here's again all the MOLLE attachments with the reverse strap that goes under here for a quick release from, let's say, a belt. So here. Alright, so two of those dump pouches. Next, military issue Coyote IFAK pouch. So individual first aid kits. They're supposed to be, let's see. Okay, I see one right here. And 2 and 3 over here. Okay, So these actually have different tags. So you can see the variety there. This one has really large lettering from H&H Associates Inc. with their website. So their contract. This one's actually an A1, they say, model from the Resource Center. And this one is also from H&H, but with a different style label. Interesting. But they all appear the same specs. Maybe the color is a little bit different on this one. This one is a little bit more brown to it, but it could be just sun bleaching as well, as it does appear to be some use on the snaps. The finish is worn a little bit. So, 3 of the military issue Coyote IFAK pouches. Next up on the list is the military issue 1-quart Canteen with M1 NBC Cap right there. Some contoured back. And a little instruction set on the front. Skillcraft 2010 and sticker number set on the back. So Canteen with the M1 cap. Next up, to go with these, are 3 military IFAK pouch insert surplus. So these typically fold out like so. This one has cords in it. Improved first aid kit. Can't see manufacturer on there, but you can read the label for yourself. Let's see if there's any difference in these ones. And number 3. So something's up with the cords on this one. Alright, so 3 of the inserts for these. Those can also go with the UCP pattern. So next up, last but not least, actually carries on to 2 pages. So we have 2 versions of the US issue military LC2 Y suspenders. So one is used, one is new. I'm suspecting this is the used one and this is the new one. So this one's actually tied, they're both tied together. Interesting. That's actually not going to wiggle off that easily. I almost don't want to break them out the string. But you can see here, brass fittings. That might be steel. Let's see. Yep. But the rest should be brass. Padded shoulder straps. Let's see if this will come off. That's a pretty tight fit. So take a look at the new ones. So these have steel fittings. You actually see print on here. This one's from the Raleigh Lions Clinic for the blind. This one, I can't see any markings on at the moment. There we go. There. So, working our way backwards, we have both a used version and a new version of the US issue military LC-2Y suspenders. We also had 3 of the military IFAK pouch insert surplus. And those went along with the military issue Coyote IFAK pouches, 3 of those. We also had the military issue 1-quart canteen with M1 NBC Cap. We also had 2 of the USMC issue Coyote MOLLE dump pouch used. And we had started off with the Belgium gas mask bag used. No contents. So these all came from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.